everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to cancel and close American Express card or Amex. So step number 1 is to check for outstanding and balances. So you have to pay off any balances on your card and ensure that there are no pending charges or unpaid bills. If your card has rewards, then you have to redeem or transfer your rewards points before canceling, as they may be forfeited upon closure. So step number 2 is to contact Amex customer service. So you just call the customer service number listed on the back of your Amex card, and alternatively you can call their main customer service line at 1-800-528-4800 for personal cards in the US. Now, once connected, inform the representative that you'd like to cancel your card. They may ask for your card details and the reason for canceling, so just be prepared to provide these informations. For step number 3 is to confirm the cancellation. After the representative processes your request, then ask for confirmation number for the cancellation. And then request written confirmation via email or mail for your records. Step number 4 is to check for final statements. Monitor your Amex account for any final charges or adjustments after cancellation. You have to ensure that there are no authorized charges that needs to be addressed, just like this one. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!